Hey, so I first decided to do a transparent Rick Sanchez from Rick and Morty. And I changed my mind and decided to paint it. So here's a video about me painting it and just a general build review. What is up, you guys? My name is Anton. I do content all things 3D. If you haven't subscribed to the channel and you enjoy 3D printing stuff or just really cool models like Diamond behind me, hit the sub button down below, smash thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. But yeah, I built a transparent Rick and Morty, Rick Sanchez from Rick and Morty, and you see that right here. But the idea was to make it a lot more nicer looking because of the transparent effect and it glowing. Problem was, he has to be turned on all the dang time to look cool. If he was turned off, he kind of looked like that. Yeah, I didn't like it. So I decided to paint it. So run the magical time lapse. I painted it and here it is. Painted. Good old Rick Sanchez. Now this model is a free model off of Thingiverse. Link as always in the description. But I just used some acrylic paints. I sanded him down. I started with 80 grit sandpaper and I worked my way up. I usually go to about 120, 150, then about 200 range, 300, finish it off with 400, sometimes go higher. Now, when I started sanding him, I was like, let me try to make him look transparent. He really wasn't looking transparent to me. It was just kind of a hazy white plastic glow. I thought, you know what? Let me just paint him. I haven't painted a model, and I want to see what it looks like. And it came out great. And as you see now, my painting skills aren't absolutely amazing, but I think I did well with the colors. It was a little bit hard because he's transparent to get enough layers on there to cover it, but there was not really any primer needed. I really generally love the model. Now I used the same model that I told you in the link, but it's 200%, so it's twice the size. He's honestly almost over a foot tall. He used just about the whole height. This was printed on a CR10S Pro, so a 400mm volume height, and I used just about all of it. There was probably maybe 2 inches left. I could have gone higher. He only took like 10 hours to print. Reason being, it's 0% infill. There was next to no supports. I actually printed him upside down, and there was not too much to clean because of that. Now I did increase the wall count, so he's very sturdy. But I really like this model because they got all the details right of Rick Sanchez. You know, you've got the little bit coming off his slips you see there, good old Rick up to his no good, you know. It's just very accurate model. I love it. The hair was very well done. I mean, they even got the bald spot in the back, and you can see my poor sanding skills and print right there in the back, but it's okay. It kind of gives it a hairstyle to it. And yeah, that's what it turned out. Now the idea is not to completely abandon the transparent idea. I think there's a lot of cool stuff you could do with transparent prints. Stay tuned. Got a nice secret project coming up for y'all. But I actually want to find a portal to put behind him that will be printed in transparent PLA and light that up with some lights behind it. I think that'll give the effect that I want where the portal's not turned on, but painted Rick looks just great, absolutely awesome. I could turn on the portal and be a great display piece. And then, I don't know, you guys let me know in the comment section, should I add a Morty and the rest of the gang from Rick and Morty? There's quite a lot of unique characters and some great models out there. But yeah, it took me roughly, I'd say about an hour and a half of sanding, give or take. It's hard to gauge it because I kind of just watch shows and sand or do something while I'm sanding because it's such a boring, annoying thing to do. Painting, those time lapses, as you see, that was me having fun with my siblings running around all asking me a lot of questions about him, but it was probably about 2.5 hours really. It seems like a lot, but it's just I really took my time on it, and there was a lot of detail, and I'm not good at painting. That's really more on me. I don't know how to paint well, so I went over it like 2 or 3 times, messed up a lot of spots. In fact, I got a little bit of paint on his white coat right here, but yeah, it turned out really, really well. I like it. I plan on doing this a lot more. Only sanding. I didn't use any sort of, you know, PLA, acetone kind of formulas or something like that. But I do plan on trying that in the future because sanding this guy with those different definitions is very difficult. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below. If you enjoyed this video, smash the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.